Hello everybody. Today we're going to be cooking a London top round steak. We're going to be cooking it on top of the stove. The steak I have here is maybe an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches thick. And I have a fourth of a small onion and I have a fourth of a bell pepper. That's actually whatever your preference is. I like a lot of onion and I like a lot of bell pepper. The seasoning we're going to be using garlic seasoning. We're going to be using onion powder. We're going to be using steak seasoning, and we're going to be using Worcester sauce. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to season the meat. I'm going to let the meat rest for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll bring you back and we'll get started. Okay, while the meat is marinating, we're going to go ahead and saute the onions and the bell pepper. I'm sauteing it in this Crisco butter flavoring grease. And I'm going to saute them maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. Because I still want them to have that crunch. But I want them to kind of be done. I used about 1 tablespoon to 1 tablespoon and a half of grease. So I'm going to get these sauteed down, and it'll be another maybe 20-25 minutes, and I'll bring you back and we'll get started on the meat. Okay, you guys, I pretty much got them where I want them. It's pretty much how I like mine. So I'm going to take them out and put them to the side, and we'll be right back to start the meat. Okay, guys, we're back. The meat has finished marinating. This is what the meat looked like marinated. So we're going to put it in the skillet, and we're going to cook it on both sides for about 7 minutes. I like my meat well, so if you don't like it well, you might want to check it a little sooner than that. But if you like it well, at least 7 minutes on both sides. I have another tablespoon of the Crisco butter flavoring in the bottom of the skillet. So I'm going to let this cook on this side for 7 minutes. I'm going to place the top on it, and when I turn it over, I'll bring you back. Also, I'm cooking this on medium high. That's what I'm cooking it on. Okay, guys, it has been 7 minutes, so we're going to take this meat and we're going to turn it over. This is what it's looking like on this side now. No, it don't want to come off this fork. So we're going to cover it up and we're going to let it go another 7 minutes. Okay, you guys, we're at our last 7 minutes. It's time to get ready to check and take our steak out. Okay, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and take it out and plate it up, and I'll bring you back. Okay, you guys, here's the finishing result of our steak. And actually, this is just the whole plate for the night. I just wanted to go ahead and fix the plate and get it over with. But these are the results of the steak that we just made. It's nice, it's juicy, it's tender. I almost actually forgot to even come back and do this part of the video because I'm ready to sit down and eat. But thanks, like, subscribe, and share. And if there's anything you want to see, please let me know. I'll try to get a video up of that. And I'll see you in a little while.